What's up, my people? Welcome back, welcome back. This is a very short video. Now, this what you're looking at here is the real deal Jamaican jerk chicken drumstick. See? Look at that. See, people? Really nice. So now what we're gonna do? We're gonna throw back the gravy that everything come from, and we're gonna throw it over it, marinate it, and make it really nice, my people. So watch this. I know I'm using my one hand, so bear with me. Right? Now, this is in oven, jerk chicken on the grill. See? So now all the juice come from the chicken. What we're gonna do with it? I'll show you. Nice, almost. People, almost fall for a minute. I have to do a real 360 and catch it back. Alright, people. Now, this is my in-oven Jamaican jerk chicken drumstick. Okay? And the juice that comes from the grill, we're gonna throw it back over it, right? That only gonna make it real nice. Trust me, people. Everything go back. Alright, nice. And that's it. Now, that's all the juice that came from the chicken with herbs and spice and everything. So now we're gonna put it back in the oven and cover it down and make it marinate with all of that goodness. Then I'll make you guys taste what real Jamaican jerk chicken drumstick, what it's supposed to look like, then taste like. By the looks of it, you can know the taste is good. And that's it, people. We're gonna put it in the oven, and I'll show you the next video when it come out in a couple of minutes. I'll take 2 parts of this. You'll see what time it is, people.